In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build a stunning website from scratch using Hostinger's website builder, even if you never made a website before. We'll start by choosing the right plan for you, then I'll show you exactly how to claim your free domain, and finally, we build and customize your website until it's ready to launch, all in less than 30 minutes. And if you use my link in the description, you'll get an exclusive 10% off so you can save money as you bring your blog, business, or online store to life. Let's dive in and go from zero to live website together. Currently, a huge deal is going on. You get a free domain name and you can build your site with AI very fast just for $1.99 a month. All you have to do is just click this claim deal. And then you have two plans to choose from. So let me explain what I think you should go with and where I think you should maybe take the most popular business website builder plan. If you're doing some kind of blogs or where you just publish articles, I think like the premium website builder alone would do the job and you would be very happy with it for $1.99 a month. But on the other hand, if you want to sell products, set up an entire shop, I think you would need to check this out here, what you will get with the business website builder. And I think you should go with this plan with the $2.99 a month. And yeah, you can see here, you can get 48 months for just $143 instead of the regular $911. So it is worth to mention that if you really want to go and sell products, to pick this plan instead of the basic one. But yeah, both will do the job depending on for what you will need it. So now for this example, I'm going for the business plan. You can see $2.99 a month. I'm saving $768. When I go for the 48 months, so basically 4 years, no headache, I just go straight and pay just the $143. You have the option to go for 24 months, 12 months, and 1 month. But when you go for less than 48 months, you can see that you don't get this deal anymore. So yeah, I really recommend you, if you want to grab the cheapest deal, to go with at least to go with 24 months. But you can see, yeah, 48 months, you get the best deal out of it. You can as well go already here, domain name, search the domain name that you want to register right away. And then you will get the coupon code automatically like added when you use our link. Otherwise, you will have it as well in the description below that you can see what code you need to put in here to get the 10% off, and then you just click continue. Okay, after that you will be on the site where you will be basically going through the payment, and then you will be basically inside the dashboard where you can then claim your free domain. On the left side you can see here, go under domains, and then you can see here you get something called claim your free domain. Register domain for free for 1 year. Choose from our list. You can see here, I just go in here, I click claim domain, and then I will choose the com. Let me shortly put in what domain I will buy. So I'll check this domain Affiliator, and I will just then claim the domain to get it like this. Okay. Once you put in your data and register the free domain, you will get an confirm email from Hostinger that you bought the domain and that you now can start using that domain. All you need to do is then click verify email, and you will see this dashboard now and the domain that you recently activated. Okay, now that you start creating a website, you need to go under here and click manage. And you can see here, register to your domain. That's the thing we did. Now the next step is to create or migrate your website. Then we just click in here, get started. So in this case, I build it for myself or someone else. We just click myself or business. We go next. Now we can choose from create a website, bring your website to Hostinger. I hired someone to help me with my website. In this case, we just click create a website because we want to create the website from scratch. Next. And you can see here, how do you want to build your website? Start from a template, build from scratch, or use AI. Website builder, start with an AI, then customize your site or online store. Or horizons, build a site by chatting with AI. Use free AI credits to start with, then get more as you go. Choose this here, website builder. click website builder, but you can choose from those other options as well. So next here, you can see what domain name do you want to use for this website. We're going to use our registered domain like this. Then we click next. It may look different on your side. If Hostinger updates something, you will see some different steps to take. This may be a little bit different on your side, but all in all, it's just like a step-by-step instruction from Hostinger to get you basically easily started. Now, before we create it with AI, we now need a brand name and a short description of what our brand is about, and then we just click create a website. Let me do that shortly, and I'll be back. Okay, now we are back. We have a brand name, Travelly, and the description is shortly: Travelly is your go-to resource to find the best travel destinations, tips, and guides worldwide. Our mission is to help travelers, whether solo adventures, families, or digital nomads, plan unforgettable trips with ease, and so on. You get the point. Now let's just click create a website. Now the AI did his job here. We can see here, travel made easy, your trusted guide for unforgettable trips and insider travel tips. You can see here some pictures, then join travel, the email sign up field, your travel companion, wander, and you get some pictures in here and the footer menu. But it's still kinda doesn't look perfectly for the travel niche. But now we're gonna get into how to design it and basically how to change things around. Go here on the right side on the continue button, okay, like this. And now we can basically already change. You had, before we did that, you had the option to recreate again if you didn't like what you seen here. So in this case, for example, here, I don't like this section here. I don't like this video in this section. So all you need to do is now go here, edit section, click this, you can see in here, and I need to replace the video because I don't like the video. So now you just click replace. You can take anything from here, what you like. So let's in here and see, like, for example, destination, I don't know, maybe Sydney. Just see what appears. Okay, ocean, beach. You see, I can basically choose from a location, something that I maybe, yeah, depending on the weather we have now, depending on the current seasons. It doesn't matter. You just choose what you think you will like. So let's put this here. This looks pretty much great. It associates people to go take a rest, go to travel, yeah, on a beachy side. Here you have the option to get the opacity higher and or lower depending on how you want it. So I like it usually to be around 50%. This is a very great percentage here. You can say the position as well, how you want the video to be positioned. You can see more in the middle, more on the top. So it's up to you how you want to have it. Let's just keep it like this here. This looks nice. So you can see here the layout. You can go row high, row gaps. This is the gaps here. First of all, you can see here we have the setup, a little checklist from Hostinger that gets us through the each step by step that we can basically check. We did start our website journey, then we have to edit the header texting, and we will go shortly as well through this. And then we have here the plus sign. We can add elements, okay? We can add a button, an affiliate link, an image, a gallery, a video file. You know, you can just click it and you have the file in here ready that you can move around. And basically we'll delete it now. This is the option where you can add elements. Then we have pages here. We can the SEO tick here is when you really want to the search and to optimize it for search engine optimization, where you can rank basically on Google for certain keywords. This is the SEO for the SEO part here, and you can generate new SEO info with AI assistant as well. So this is like about the pages. You can see the pages are here, the navigation. When you move the pages, for example, like here, you will see it moves as well on the top. So depending on how you want to structure it, you can drag and drop and move the pages around, and see as well here on the phone how it will look on the phone. But on the phone, it's like the three dots here, it will still be, you can still change it up. You can as well change it for phone and for web version. So maybe you want to have something on the web, but you don't want to have something on the phone. You can basically change two different versions, to have two different versions if you wish. So you can go here on styles. You can see you have, for the website styles, you have this colors. Then you have a font you can choose from. You can choose, for example, Poppins, and you can click reset. So now it is this title here is done with Poppins, like you can tell, and you can move it around and say, for example, make it a little bit more smaller, the text, okay, like this. Perfect, looks nice. Now we change, you can see the fonts here. You can change the buttons you wish, okay. You can basically have it like this, secondary, primary, and you can as well have animation, slide animation, fade, scale on the buttons itself, on these buttons, okay. You can have the fade, you can have the scale, and yeah, depending on what you want, you can change that in this under styles. Then under AI tools, you have the section AI image generator, AI writer, AI page generator, AI section generator, AI blog generator, and so on. AI product details generator. If you need some product description for, you can use this one. And you see here blog. You can as well have blogs inside. You can add a store by clicking add store. And now you basically added a store as well. You can see it in the navigation. The store is pretty much simple, but we will get later to this one as well. SEO is the part where I showed you that can be optimized, and under more you can see some more features like the analytics, form submissions. You can as well add appointments, and you can export the entire content to WordPress if you wish later on. You can back up the entire thing. You can have your own media library where you will upload your logos, images, and so on from your computer or laptop. And as well, very, very easy, very, very self-explaining. In this part, navigation is very simple, like you can tell, nothing to be confused about. But let's just start with a better logo, okay? You can see here under the logo, when you click the logo part here, you will be able to replace an image for the logo. Or you can you can see that here, use AI to create a unique logo. That's what we're gonna use now. We're gonna click this short thing here, and now we're gonna say what the logo is about. You can see here, fairly is okay, and we can say abstract, corporating, eco-friendly, futuristic, minimalistic, modern. We will see. Let's just keep it with minimalistic. I think will do the job. Let me go here. Let's try with minimalistic. Modern, simple could do the job as well, but minimalistic is good. Make a logo colorful. Yeah, why not? And then we click just here and just wait up, and then I will show you how the logo will look like. So you can see here, I got some logo already here. I didn't like it, but I have like basically on 0 credits now to create a new one. But I really suggest you to be basically to say minimalistic or without color, so it will make it a little bit better. Maybe include the travel text or your logo text in here. But for now, let's just keep in this, and we can say maybe edit logo, type name, slogan. Okay, logo text we can put in here. Let's just click this one. Okay, you can see Travelly. You can see we can put like this. This looks pretty nice. We can click layout and go from left. You can see that the logo is left and the text for the company or for the brand on the right side. You can choose from whatever you like it more like this, or you like it more like this, or you want it like this. I like it like this. We just click the download button. We say Travelly, and we just have zip downloaded. Now let me go back in here, and again on the replace image, I will now open the zip and just click replace image. So now that we got the logo, I will just drag and drop it in here, and then I click select logo. You can see here, and the logo is basically already here. Now I can say logo width. We can make it a little bit more like this, you can see, and this looks already perfect and already much better than it was before, right? The logo is now finished. Now let me shortly show you about the store, what you can do. here in the store. You can as well click here once you are under the store navigation, manage products. Now you can see here you have multiple products like that are active currently right now. You can go in here, click, you can change images, you can generate product details. You can click in here, and now it's gonna create you basically a detailed description on it. Let me just show you now. Light blue baseball cap, classic everyday style, and then we got upgrade your wardrobe with you can see how beautiful it was described here. Then you can even add more media. You can see images or videos if you need so, and then you can price it, discount price. You can give it discount price, I don't know, to just in this case for example. And then you have the options to track quantity, add some additional information if you wish so. Add option, you can add you select if you want to have multiple variations or so. And then you can add a category, use categories to organize products on your online store. And it can go even more and in depth, but this is not in the scope of this video to show you extremely how to go and price every product. But just you can see on the left side, you can have categories. Okay, you can have all products, and then you can click here, you can edit that. You can see you can have multiple products that you can as well use drag and drop. Let me just cancel this. You can have discount codes, you can add discount, and then say what code people should use to get 10%, 20% from your discount. You can say, for example, get 20 off, and then you can see for all products or for specific categories you can choose from. And then you just go here, start time or start date, and when the promo will be basically ending, and then you click save. Then you basically have created a promo code people can use on your shop. You'll get here some customer data from customers that bought you your product. All in all, you can see here all your orders then, and this is how you can add a new product by clicking add product, or you can import products by uploading a CSV file or another file. Here you can see import up to 50 physical products, like you can see. But yeah, add product. Is it a physical product, digital product? We can just choose what aligns to your product. Digital product. Then you can see here upload image and generate product details with AI. You can choose that. Then basically click that button and to upload an image. And like we did that in the past, so I don't need to show you that again. And then you have like the overview. Then you can move on already to the next step here. Set up a payment method. You can click add payments. Now you have the option to connect PayPal as a payment method. Paysera, you can see here for additional payment method. Available payment methods are Visa, MasterCard, Revolut, bank transfers, and Paysera account. Manual payment, customer can pay you offline based on your instructions as well. You can add that too. So those are the additional payment methods at most popular in your location. So keep in mind, once you change the shop location, for example, United States, it will as well give you other payment methods. That's very important to know as well. And as well, the currency you can change here. So now when you change the country and the currency, you will be able as well now to connect Stripe. And Stripe is a very, very important for shop owners. You just click connect in here, and it will then bring you to the tab on Stripe to connect over on Stripe here. And yeah, basically go from there on. Or you can connect it to PayPal, like the classy one. And yeah, another one is dLocal Go. Never heard about that, to be honest, but yeah, those are the options depending on the country you are in and you want to run the shop. So that's easy as that. You will be able to set up your like payment for those things. So let's go back in here on home. You can see you can add sticky bar plus on top. Maybe you say on the sticky bar you go here and say here use 20 off today, for example. code to get 20% of your first order. Bam. You can see this is, maybe you can make it even this part, yeah, you can bold. So this screams like you can stick it on the top, and everybody who checks out your website can basically see that they can use a specific code if they shop on your site to get a 20% off. You can go here, style paragraph, and basic or text color. You can go here, website color, text color. You can pick any color and then save it. Okay, this is basically now the paragraph we edited. Next step, let's go here, edit heading text. We can travel made easy. Okay, we just change it shortly so it is like they're up and running. You've trusted guide for unforgettable trips and insider travel tips. Okay, maybe we can add something there. Let's just say a dot. Doesn't matter, just to take this off. Okay, let's go here. Yeah, this is still heading text. Travel made easy, affordable. Just for example of this. So, okay, now we got that checklist done. Next, upload an image. We will take that step as well. Like we said, replace image. Free images. Let's go in here and say, why not? Let's go put this camera in here, add to page, and this step is done as well. Just follow this, upload social media links. The social media links are down on the footer. You can see, you can click add social icons, and then you can add your Instagram, your TikTok, Facebook, or X account. You can as well choose style. You can say the icons to be bigger or less big. You can say the layout, should it be more this. You have and can have as well an animation. But yeah, this is basically how you design it for the social medias. You have basically the option to edit everything inside the web, like in-app editor available. Email, you can then say something here at bananas.com, and then you can update your phone number and everything in here. You see, you can as well click in here your form, and you can basically hide it if you want just for mobile phone to appear. You can click it, click desktop off. So on the desktop version, you won't see it, but if you click it, you want just for desktop, mobile not, you can click it and make it visible just for the desktop. Like I said, you can have two different versions, one for desktop, one for mobile for your site if you wish so. But in this case, we're gonna put it like this. And you can as well add sections by clicking add sections here. Now you can see, you can choose from, you can add a blog between, you can add an online store, you can maybe add a product, a video, an Instagram feed. You can see you can add multiple things that you wish so. Contact form. Let's just add a contact form for this purpose to show you. Now we added a contact form here if you wish so. And yeah, if you need somebody to fill out the form, you can as well generate images with AI. Just describe the image and then create image. Or you can, in this case, let's just delete this because we don't need it. But yeah, this is how you actually, as simple as that, create your very own website using Hostinger. And you can see how easy and how flexible it is, how easy you can edit things when you click in here. You can add sections, you can change images by clicking the image, edit image. You can replace the image with something different, with another free image of here. You can say here, this image for example, add to page, and now you have already changed the image. You can change the text, change here, you know, ideas are limitless once you get in used to use it. But now let's go here under pages, and for example, you don't like something, you want to remove it, click three dots in here. You can hide from the navigation. I don't recommend you instantly remove it because you can rename it later on, but you can as well add a page if you need to later on. You can remove it or hide it. So hide it from this. You can booking, you can go here, delete. Okay, then here let's just say hide those from navigation. Gear reviews, community, we don't need that. Hide from navigation. Yeah, and these are good. Like you have home, you have guides, money hacks, gear reviews, blog, everything is fine. And if you have already something that you want to sell, you can basically go ahead and create a product right here. Or if you want to start a blog, you can basically go here and edit the blog list, and basically try things around. It's nothing hard really. And once you get used to add a new page, you can see here tone of voice, natural, casual, formal, length of content, yeah, that you will create with AI, the blog post description, 10 tips for creating marketing, and so on. You can create content basically with AI now for your blog, as easy as that. And then in no time you have your site ready to go. And then you can see here, you can click save to save everything, and then just click preview here. Now we have like the blog in here for our site called like Travelly. You can see here with images. And then if I want to sell some gear or review some gear, that could be basically on this site here. And if I want to sell something on the store, I have the option to do so. And here I have all products or like category based products. Then I can see here, instead of money hacks, there will be travel hacks, or maybe smart budgeting for travelers, something like that. On guides, maybe I have like travel tips, how to travel with less money, with zero money, and so on. You can, yeah, in this purpose here. But you can see how this part is here on the top. Very cool, screaming basically, hey, you get 20% off if you use that code. And on the home screen, travel made easy, start now, and you can basically connect a button to a shop or something like that if you wish so. But yeah, all in all, look how beautiful this actually looks like. Simple, beautiful design. And you can as well go, of course, more in depth, add more elements to it. You can add affiliate links connected to some buttons. You can add a subscription form. You can add a map by clicking here map. You can add the location by edit the map, adding the address here if you wish so. If you need it somewhere, you can click this. You can make it a little bit smaller to not be like, oh, you can see here. Now, if you need that map, you can leave it. You have multiple options that you can play around with to set up and to make your basically your store ready to go. After that, you just click go live, and you can click this button here, go live. Yeah, it will take a while now until it's publishing, but one thing to know and to mention is sometimes it takes more than 24 hours that the domain you register, the site will be available on it. But you will have anyways a link. You can see here a website. It's currently not found yet because it needs in the back end it needs to be to have like some kind of time to, yeah, basically register your domain, to check everything and connect everything, and then it will be available after that. So now like you can see here, your website was updated. We can view it, and it's instantly already available. And that was pretty fast actually, to be honest, because sometimes it can even take longer, maybe up to a day or so, to get the website up and running under the same domain you registered it. So don't worry about that. If you're stuck and don't see it instantly, it can take a while, okay, to get the website up and running. With that said, now you will know how to create a website using Hostinger website builder and the help of AI to generate a niche website, a website for your business, blog, whatever it is. And yeah, use our 10% off discount link in the description below to save some money and get straight started with it. And yeah, have some fun, and see you in the next video.